Requirements: Zabbix Server 6/7 is already installed and running. You have root privileges on the Zabbix server. To watch more videos about Zabbix, please check the links in the description below. Step 1. Install fping on the Zabbix server. Setting permissions for fping. Now, grant fping access to the Zabbix user. Step 3. Configure Zabbix server. Make sure that the fping path is correctly configured, as identified in Step 2.1.a. Now, restart the Zabbix server to apply the changes. That's it! In the next video, we will configure network device monitoring using ICMP ping. Stay tuned.